Ryan's got to let the skid steer warm up, start building some more stuff. We don't have a ton of dirt, but it is what it is today. Form that berm a little bit better or something, I don't know. We might have another plan though for the track. Alright, what's up YouTube? So, as you saw, I got the bike loaded up. We're here at Ryan's. I haven't told you much about what we're doing here. I'm just gonna say we're building a little track-ish thing. We'll see how it goes. He's got a skid steer, everything. We're getting dirt delivered. It's gonna be a full-blown, like, solid, not a huge track, but a good enough track where it'll make really good content. Somewhere to ride close. And I guess this will be the second, well, technically third ride on the 125. I haven't updated you guys on it from the first ride video. I think this should be the video after the first ride video. Yeah, just gotta button up some things, tighten up the chain. I fixed the pipe a little bit. And other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Should be good to ride today. It's just a little turn track right now with one big berm that is set up. So we're gonna try to lay out some jumps and whatnot. Get another ride in this, try to figure out the clutch so it doesn't slip anymore like the last video. The clutch was slipping so bad, as you guys heard. That was ridiculous, but we'll get it dialed in today for this weekend. Should be good. Alright, tough guy. Alright, we're just gonna jump into some riding stuff. There was a lot of crap talking on the first ride video, looking at some comments like, dude, shift that thing, blah blah blah. Like, I understand the clutch was slipping and I know how to shift gears. Like, you guys gotta take it easy. Like, I don't understand. You think I'm like, granted, I've never really ridden a two-stroke. Also keep that in mind. I've ridden a two-stroke maybe like 5 times my entire life, so cut me some slack, alright? Cut me some slack. That was decent.
That came out pretty good.
I don't have any excuse. Alright, well, for not riding this thing very much, I'm trying to like get used to it. I mean, granted that last ride was like the first ride, so like I said, I haven't ridden two strokes. I'm trying to, one, feel the bike out since it's like totally brand new and everything, and I don't know, regardless, I'm having fun. That's all that really matters at the end of the day. It does. A lot of you commented that what if I were to drag fender on this thing doing a wheelie and hit at like 9 o'clock because the fender's a little bit longer than the actual wheel right now because the chain hasn't stretched fully to do it back. So I guess we'll try some wheelies or something, try to hit the fender. I don't know, why not? Because I'm sure some of you want to see that, so I'll give it a try. It's probably going to be totally different. We'll see.
Oh, you're going to fucking loop it.
Yeah, watch me loop it, dude.
You're going to break the bike.
Alright, well, I'd say that's pretty much close enough for today without breaking my back fender. I could claim that I hit it. I know I didn't hit it, but I don't care. It's close enough for me today. I'll get it one day in another video. You guys will see. But if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up for the two-stroke, finally breaking this thing out and not letting it just sit in the garage and collect dust, because I couldn't help myself but to ride it. I know a lot of you said not to ride it, but come on, you know, you guys, some of you understand. But yeah, the thing's super fun. But like I said in the past video, and probably in this video, I'm probably for sure gonna ride this more than my 250F. Like, almost positive, because it's too much fun. I don't know, just really fun. Alright, so as you guys heard, some of you were commenting that it's too lean. I don't know what you're talking about. I think the bike's fine. But it's running super good today now that I got the clutch figured out. It was just the tension. I'm an idiot. I didn't adjust it. It honestly crossed my mind when I was at Pavilion to actually adjust it. So now it's adjusted pretty solid. It's not slipping at all anymore. So that's all that really matters. And yeah, shout out to Joe for getting some clips on with Ryan. He's gonna try to build some jump down there, a little jump. I don't know if I'm gonna be here for it, but at least we got the berm figured out a tiny bit. There still needs some revisions, maybe a little bit longer right here so you can kind of come into it better. But for the most part, it's pretty good. You guys saw right here in this corner, I suck at corners, but I'm trying it. I think practice makes perfect. I gotta practice more with corners and whatnot. Let's check the fuel because I haven't touched it. Oh, I'm literally empty. Literally have no fuel left. So we'll go back up to the truck and fill it up. I knew this thing was gonna suck fuel. I had about just over a half a tank and I've only ridden for like 30 minutes. And we're already empty, so that's sick. All right, I can't do this one-handed. Well, we'll do some laps on GoPro. May as well. Ryan can't really do anything else on the skid steer. He thinks we're gonna have somebody come out. He's gonna have like 4, I think, big dump trucks of dirt delivered, maybe 5, and then grade some. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but because we don't really have a plan yet as far as layout, we're gonna get spray painted, just paint out where we want jumps and whatnot, but we'll figure it out. That berm caught me. That was sketchy. Alright, I'm done. We're all packed up, loaded up. Little turn track action, pretty fun. I got some footage for you guys. This camera won't even focus. There it goes. But yeah, bike's running good. It needs a chain adjustment now, so it should kind of even out the fender and wheel ratio and how much is spaced. And yeah, other than that, I gotta turn the gas off quick. But yeah, should be good. Go home, wash it, and get it ready for this. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that kind of turn track just riding at Ryan's house. It wasn't really meant to be like a video at all. I'm like, I'll just film something of just riding around, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I know there's a lot of repeat of clips on the turns and whatnot, and me messing up, it just makes it more real and kind of what actually, I don't want to say behind the scenes in the video, but you know what I'm trying to say. But hopefully you enjoyed the sound of the 125, actually how it's supposed to sound now, because like I said in the last video, the clutch is slipping so bad, so you couldn't even really get a good sound of the bike. And it should be pretty dialed in now. I got the pipe and stuff all mounted up good, all the mounts good, everything Loctited, and should be good. I cut this little plastic piece off so it's not rubbing on the tire anymore. Got it all cleaned up, and we're looking good for practice tomorrow. So give it a run. I got the 250 and Ryan's trailer over there, good to go. Joe's riding tomorrow. I'm filming a separate vlog, which you'll see probably on Monday in the same video.
But I'm gonna cap this video off if you guys enjoyed it and I want to see behind the scenes of tomorrow and riding and whatnot. Follow me on Instagram at Tyler Monagan, along with the build page at Project KX125 for separate just raw riding videos of this, little edits and whatnot of just this, along with updates on it as I still put parts on it and whatnot. So give that a follow. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.